Hey guys, what's up everyone? Mr. Fired Up Wealth here, and today I'd like to share my top 3 personal finance tips to help you achieve your goals. What are your goals in life? Do you want to retire young, travel the globe, start your own business, spend more time with family, volunteer work, party like a rock star? What are your goals in life? Do you have a plan to get there? These 3 personal finance tips should help, so let's get started. Number 1, spend less money. This seems so obvious, yet so many people fail right out of the gates. If you're trying to keep up with the Joneses, you likely will not achieve financial freedom anytime soon. If you aren't disciplined with money, consider creating a monthly budget. This will help make yourself accountable. It'll also help you see where you're spending. In most cases, you'll be able to identify areas where you can cut spending to increase your disposable income. Of course, your goal should be to use that extra money to save for retirement, not spend it on something else. Number 2, create a plan. So many people that I talk to simply don't have a plan. You're fighting an uphill battle if you don't have a plan. What do I mean by a plan? I'm talking about a game plan to get you where you want to be. What is your goal? Do you want to retire from your corporate job and start your own business by age 45? Do you want to work till 65, then travel the globe? What is your plan? How will you get there? You need to not only have an overall strategic plan, but you also have to have tactical goals and milestones along the way. For example, you should have monthly, annual, 5-year goals, etc. All of these milestones help you get to what I call the end game. What do you want out of life? What is your end game? How will you get there? Number 3, write down your goals vividly. This ties into goal number 2 of creating a plan and writing your own goals. You write them down and it'll make you accountable. According to Forbes' article last year, vividly describing your goals in written form is strongly associated with goal success. And people who very vividly describe or picture their goals are anywhere from 1.2 to 1.4 times more likely to successfully accomplish their goals versus people who don't. That's a pretty big difference in goal achievement just from writing your goals down on a piece of paper. It has to deal with neuroscience and how our brains operate, but all we really need to know is that if we were going to be serious about achieving our goals, we need to write them down. And write them down as vividly as possible. In other words, just writing down, I want to retire by age 45 on a piece of paper isn't good enough. You need to explain to yourself what the goal is, why you want it, and what you're going to do in order to achieve it. My wife and I actually plan meetings every quarter to discuss our goals and to ensure that we're on track. We write down our annual goals for each year, which we obviously update annually. We also write down 5-year goals, 10-year goals, and retirement goals. It may sound crazy, but it's the best thing we have ever done. In fact, I'd say the reason we are in the position we are today is almost solely due to plan creation, writing down goals, and making ourselves accountable. Of course, it takes hard work as well, but think about it. Every business has a business plan and quarterly goals are set in order to ensure appropriate progress. Why shouldn't we take our lives just as seriously as a business? Achieve your goals, dream big, make it happen. If you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe. Hit the subscribe button on the bottom right. There's also a little bell. If you click that bell, that'll notify you when a new video comes out. We just started this channel about 2-3 months ago. We've grown very quickly. We're nearing 350 subscribers. We also have a Facebook page. We have a Twitter account. Of course, we've got our own website, www.firedupwealth.com. Take a look at all those. Join us. We have a private Facebook group where we have more detailed interaction and discussion. Definitely join us in there. It'd be great to have you. Hope to see you real soon. We have a whole team now working. This is just getting started, and I hope that you want to be a part of it early and help us grow the channel and grow the brand. What this is really about is helping educate young investors and investors in general on how to save money in the stock market, how to grow your wealth, and how to retire as young as you possibly can to enjoy the things that you want to enjoy in life. So thanks again for all the support, all of the encouragement, everything to this point. You guys have been great. I appreciate you very much. Have a great rest of your day.